back to Tattered Stitch Embroideries. Today we're going to go over a much requested tutorial. We're going to work on one of the Emery Board Straw Holder files. Alright, so before we get started today, I wanted to show you the materials that I use for this project. We have two pieces of lining right here. The dark blue fabric is going to be for my outer portions of the Emery Board holder, and then this is going to be my lining right here. So again, two panels for lining, two panels for the outside portions of the Emery Board holder, and then two pieces of batting. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to run our first placement stitch. Okay, so we've finished our placement stitch right here. So I've laid one panel of batting down, and then I've placed my fabric on top of that, and I'm going to run my tack down stitch now. Okay, our tack down is complete, so I'm just going to cut away the batting and the fabric. Now we're ready to embroider out the main design of this pattern. Okay, so with the pattern stitched out, I'm going to flip my hoop over. I'm going to take my panel of lining and I'm going to place it nice side face down. Again, I'm going to place my panel of lining nice side face down. I'm going to tape it really well. I'm going to put it back in the hoop, and I'm going to run my tack down stitch. With the tack down complete, I'm just going to trim away my excess fabric. And then I'm going to run a satin stitch along this top curved edge here. That's my next step. Okay, so we're going to run our satin stitch now. Okay, with the satin stitch complete, we're going to run the outline stitch for the back portion of this project. Okay, so with that step complete, I'm going to flip my pattern over, and I'm going to lay my lining down, nice side face down, and then I'm going to put my batting right on top of that, and then I'm going to take my final layer of fabric, which is the outer portion, and I'm going to lay that down. And I'm going to tape everything together really nice and secure, and I'm going to put it back in the hoop and run my tack down stitch. And then after that, we're going to trim it, and then after that, we're going to put it back in the machine, and we will run our final satin stitch. Okay, so after this step is done, we just finished tacking down the back panels. There is a step to actually put a buttonhole right here, actually right up here, but I'm going to skip through that because I actually want to use cam snaps. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to trim my fabric away, and I'm going to skip through this step for the buttonhole. So we're just going to cut. I do have a little bit of tape left right here, but for the purposes of this video, I'm not going to worry about that right now. My machine will stitch right over it. So now we're going to run our final satin stitch. Alright, so our little Emery Board holder is complete. So now I'm just going to take it out of the hoop. I'm going to tear away the excess stabilizer and trim any fuzzies that I may have. And this project is complete. Oh, and I'm also going to finish it with cam snaps. So right in here, I'm just going to take this and pull this away, and I'm just going to go ahead and trim all my edging. So thanks so much for stopping by today and watching our latest video release.